Okay, now I'm going to create the input components. The input components are semi-finished products, not the finished products. So let's go ahead and select semi-finished products, and the name I'm going to put is machine parts. Machine parts. Okay, hit enter, select all the views, scroll down and deselect the last views, which are warehouse management execution, warehouse management packing. Click on organization levels, and you have all this information which is coming from the system because last time I saved it here. Okay, hit enter, and now we need to give the description. Descriptions are parts for and cap welding machine and cap welding machine. Unit of measure is each, and the group is 004, and the gross weight 100, net weight 100. Hit enter, hit enter again, click here and hit enter. Put the tax. One is for tax for all these countries. Then hit enter again. Item category, normal, and gentleman item category is also NORM, normal. Hit enter, and the group here 001, transportation group. Loading group is again 001. Hit enter, hit enter. Purchasing, enter, enter. MRP, MRP type PD, meaning planning. 001 is our MRP controller. Lot size is EX, which is exact lot, lot for lot. And procurement X, schedule margin key 000, in-house production time 3 days, planned delivery time 2 days. Hit enter, enter again, enter one more time. Forecasting model K, enter, enter. Task 009, enter, hit enter, hit enter, hit enter, hit enter, hit enter. Valuation class is going to be for the semi-finished products. The standard price is going to be 15,000 for all the parts. Hit enter, 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 save it. So now we have both the materials. One is parts, another one is machine. Now let's go ahead and create a BOM. Logistics, production, master data, bills of materials, bill of material, material BOM, CS01. Double click on it, and we need welding machine. Welding machine is our final product that's going to be manufactured in 3000 plant. The BOM usage is 1, which is production. Hit enter. That will take you to create BOM screen. Then you can write down machine parts. Machine parts is a product which I need 4 parts to make that. Hit enter. All that information is right there. Select this line item, click on go to items, then afterwards you click on the status long text, then default the storage location. You are always getting this product from here, and go ahead and save it. Your BOM is created.